Hey guys, welcome to another episode in Forged Foam. I got a loot crate for you. This is August loot crate. I believe the theme was Mayhem. Before I open it up, I just want to apologize. It's kind of noisy in here. Hopefully you guys can still hear me pretty good. The shop I do all this stuff in is got a metal roof on it and it is storming outside pretty bad, so it's pretty noisy. But I have already opened this up, and first thing I want to show you is a shirt. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's an Office Space shirt. It's kind of neat. I like it. So that's that. And open it up. See what else we got. There's a Rick and Morty figure. I already knew this was coming in. It was kind of spoiled online. But I'll get this opened up, get a better look at it for you. Oh, just fell apart. Okay, so it's got a few different parts to it. It's got the little Morty figure. Or Rick, I'm not sure. Not gonna lie, don't really watch Rick and Morty. This piece feels pretty heavy, very solid. Snaps in there. And there's little holes here where he fits into. There we go. There's that. It's kind of a cool little figure. Like I said, I don't really watch Rick and Morty, at least not yet. Haven't gotten started on it yet, but everybody tells me I need to, so I might do that, but that's the figure. And it's got a pop socket, foam grip, and stand. Justice League. Probably won't use that. Not big on these things. It's kind of neat though. Here's a pen, Courage the Cowardly Dog. And last is a journal with Harley Quinn on it. There's the front. Let's cut this open. Better look at it. Front of it and the back of it, and pages inside are blank, just blank sheets. But that's it for the Mayhem theme. It's kind of cool. You got a shirt and a figure. That's always nice. Definitely a good crate. You guys got it. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I don't really watch Rick and Morty, but it's still pretty cool. You get a figure. But anyways, that's it for this video. Once again, I do make props and everything, so if you guys like that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, leave a like. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. I do have a Loot Gaming one coming up soon also, so be on the lookouts for that. But anyways, thanks for watching.